bounce to you. Get the bounce to you. Fine girls, they be feeling my space. Fine boy, they be looking at me. Just on them when I'm looking so clean. Nigeria boy, I be looking so fine. I'm some boy, I be looking so clean. When I come through, they be looking at me. Look so good in my heart, that's so. But these pussy niggas wanna flex with me. I'm so good that I'm real like I'm so bad that I'm pure like Like I'm back on when I hit in your post. Hitting their hoes, I be spinning freakies. That's the pussy nigga when he's hitting. Fine girls, they be feeling my space. Fine boy, they be looking at me. Just on them when I'm looking so clean. Nigeria boy, I be looking so fine. I'm some boy, I be looking so clean. When I come through, they be looking at me. Look so good in my heart, that's so. But these pussy niggas wanna flex with me. I'm so good that I'm real like I'm so bad that I'm real like
You keep what's that?
When I hit in your post, hitting their hoes, I be spinning freakies. Pussy nigga when they hitting my way. Everybody come for me. All these niggas tryna wanna be
like I've wanted to try this bed from that. I like
every station, every city, everywhere you go. As a girl she listen to, she say it's ass. She say get it bouncing and I love your pose, everything you do me. She say I love your flow cause you tell me. She like the way I put her on the steady. Say but bed in her bed she be moving. Whoa, yeah. I'm so good that I'm real like I'm so bad that I'm pure like I'm back on when I hit in the post, in the hoes, I'm spinning freakies. The pussy nigga when he's hitting on me. Everybody talk, but they coming for me. All these niggas tryna wanna be me, yeah. I'ma let you know this will be easy, yeah.
Hi guys, I'm back home. I spent some time with Rita. A lot of you here probably know who Rita is. Rita has been my friend since the days of Philippines. Every time she's in town, we do hang out. We spend a lot of time together. We go out, eat, just catch up. So today happens to be one of those days, and it was a very beautiful one. It's good to reconnect with some people sometimes. Just cool off, talk. I actually reconnected with an old family friend like a week ago or a little bit over a week ago, and it was also really beautiful. Hadn't seen them in like years. Those ones were worse. I haven't seen them in like 15 years or so, and it was crazy. But anywho, the girls back home. I'm so stressed, guys. I'm so stressed. I haven't properly rested. Easter came, guys, and I didn't speak to you guys during Easter. I was spending time with family. I was at my family place during Easter, and somehow got carried away and I didn't vlog or try to talk to you guys or anything. But this is me apologizing. I'm going to make it up to you guys. But yeah, if you did enjoy this vlog, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and of course share the video to your friends, your family, anyone you know that lives in Port Harcourt that is interested in life in Port Harcourt, or living alone vlogs, or people who enjoy watching vlogs. Share my links to them and tell them to follow your girl. Okay, all right.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are okay. Anywho, today I'm gonna be making moi and I've been craving moi a whole lot. I hope you guys don't judge me because of how I sound, because I got a flu. It's been raining pretty much back to back in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and it's really telling on me. The weather is not so favorable to me. I don't know, I always catch a flu every time it gets really cold, and yeah. But today we're gonna be talking about marriage and being in your mid-20s, late 20s, how we're all handling it. So a couple of my friends have been getting married or engaged, even acquaintances, people I know who are pretty much in the same age grade or age bracket like me. And I'm not in my early 20s anymore. I'm just in my mid 20s. And right from my early 20s, my family will always say, oh, do I get married? Do I bring a man home? My uncles, my aunties always saying, oh, you're too fat, you're on the fat side, you need to get married as soon as possible, you need to find a husband. And I'm one of those people that dates with purpose, right? I don't just say, oh, let's go with the flow, or I just want to, have fun. I would always, look at the bigger picture. Like, oh, if I meet somebody, I'm like, I'm dating you for the purpose of marriage. Or let me not say immediately, right? But then with time, let me say within a month, 2 months, 3 months, I'm expecting that, okay, you should have known if you want to spend, the rest of your life with me, or if it's something that is not going to work. Have I been in long-term relationships? Yes, I have. I have been in relationships that have stayed up to 2 years, 3 years. And, my longest relationship was 4 years, right? And I think I can relate when you're expecting one to do something and they're not doing it. So for me, I've been feeling a bit off, sometimes when I see like people I know, post about their marriage, getting married or they're engaged. I'm so excited for them. I'm so happy. I'm like, oh my God, you finally left these trenches, because guys, it's difficult out here. If you're really in the dating scene, you would know there are lots of damaged human beings, and there are lots of people who are not emotionally available, and it's just hard, okay? That when you see somebody, very cute looking guy's got what he's doing, but then he's just not emotionally available. Or you find someone who tells you, my dear, I'm not ready. Do I have the money to get married today, tomorrow? Yes, I do, but I am not ready. I'm not ready to wife anyone. I'm not ready to start a family. And I kind of understand that. Or you see people who are super controlling. They don't want you to, explore, be yourself, do big things, do the things you want to do. Or they don't want you to, just grow your wings. Guys, don't let the pressure get to you at the end of the day, okay? Just keep being you, and the right one will definitely come. Out of all this drama or the chaos, you will find the right one soon, okay? Very soon. Hello everyone, guess where I'm off to? I am off to Owerri in Imo State. I'm actually going to Idiato South at the end of the day, but then first stop is Owerri, because you guys, I left Port Harcourt really late. But then I'm going to get my friend married to the love of her life after 9 years of them dating together. They've been together for 9 years, they've been through it together, and finally they're working down the aisle. I'm so happy. It was a long journey to their place, but it was fun filled, okay?
Hi everyone, good morning. My friend is getting married today. I'm currently in Imo State, for the wedding. It's happening in Olu. I am so happy for Uma and Ugo. Like, you guys don't know, like, I'm so super happy for them. It's the morning of the wedding, and yeah, I'm looking a bit selfish, and I got an eye infection. Like, you see that? Wild.
If there's one thing I'm gonna tell every bride is have supportive friends and family. Ma had the best people in her corner on this particular day. We all just came out to have a good time. We drank, we gisted, we just, had our time. And then guys, I did my makeup myself, and I'm so proud of how my makeup turned out. For someone who do not know how to do makeup, definitely 8, and that was a chef kiss. My outfit was made by a tailor, and she did an amazing job. It was just okay. I wasn't trying to do too much with my outfit, to be honest. One thing about the groom was he kept smiling all through the day. Like, I'm sure he was the happiest man that day. When he went to see his bride, the smile on his face, he was so excited. You could tell that these two people are so in love and, ready to take the bold step. Man, they were so cute together. Ma had the best day. Her outfits were good. The part where her father prayed for her, the part where she went to look for her husband, everything about the ceremony was great. I can't even begin to talk about everything. And trust me, I love the best part as an Igbo girl, the part where they spray money. But of course, the new rule in Nigeria, if you do that, you go to Kirikiri. So at this point, I'm not going to post that on here, but trust me, money was raining. Okay, all right, enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in another one.